In this video, we'll cover advanced point cloud scanning techniques for the SkylandX MetaCam. While MetaCam is designed to be flexible, following these best practices will help you achieve optimal data quality. Before you begin scanning, we recommend a few quick preparations. First, always wipe the lenses to keep them spotless. To get a clear path, prop open any doors along your route. If you encounter a closed door mid-scan, simply push it open with your back. Pull the scanner back slightly so it faces the door frame rather than the moving door. Pause briefly until you see both sides of the doorway in MetaCam Go, then proceed. During initialization, follow the on-screen prompts in the app. And here are some tips for better stability. First, choose a feature-rich area for initialization and point the device toward your subject. Whenever possible, place the scanner on a flat, elevated surface, like a table. If no support is available, initializing on the ground works just fine. Avoid starting near large mirrors, glass walls, standing water, or highly reflective flooring. Minimize pointing the device directly at moving objects, such as heavy traffic, pedestrians, swaying trees, or active screens. Keep your pace steady, staying under 1 meter per second. Imagine you are walking while balancing a nearly full cup of hot coffee. When turning corners in hallways or on stairs, slow down even further. In narrow passages, face the scanner toward the inner corner and take a wide, smooth turn. Avoid sharp 90-degree pivots. Your final point cloud will significantly benefit from loop closures. A proper loop closure means returning to the starting area, overlapping a portion of your initial path, and facing the same direction. For large, open scenes or narrow, cluttered areas, we recommend closing the loop at least once mid-scan by intentionally revisiting a spot you have already covered. For areas that require maximum detail, captured multiple times from varying angles and perspectives. When walking downstairs, tilt the scanner slightly downward. This helps the scanner also captures the vertical faces of the steps. Featureless spaces can cause the system to lose tracking. To prevent this, place a distinct object every 30 meters to give the scanner a reliable reference marker. These are the core techniques for achieving optimal point cloud scans with MetaCam. Thanks for watching.